taco tomatoes. You are going to love them. It starts with ground beef. I'm telling you, I can never have enough ground beef recipes in my arsenal. You can buy huge family packs of ground beef. You can get it on sale. It's so versatile. It takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with. I just think ground beef is a winner. Winner of a dinner ingredient. So I've got a skillet with a little bit of oil, and I added some green onions and garlic just to kind of release the flavors. And I'm gonna slide in some ground beef. You can do ground round, you can do ground chuck, you can do just regular ground beef, any sort of fat content. That's what I love about ground beef, is you really don't have to get too picky about what kind you use. Just grab whatever you want. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Ooh, that garlic smells good. And now I'm gonna cook the ground beef, crumbling it as I go. It's probably gonna take about 4 to 5 minutes. Don't go away, Paige. All right, the ground beef is totally brown. And if it has excess fat, you can drain it, but it's got just kind of a mild amount. I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna add a ½ cup of jarred salsa. You can add a little more if you want. And a heaping tablespoon of just taco seasoning, Tex-Mex seasoning, whatever you got. You can also just do your own seasoning, like chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, oregano. And then, of course, plenty of hot sauce. And then I like to add just a little bit of water, like 1/4 cup or so, just to kind of help the sauciness of this meat mixture. Woo, it's very saucy. So I'm gonna stir it around, and this taco meat is just basically perfect for regular tacos. You could do nachos, you could do like quesadillas with meat mixture in the middle, okay? And then I'm gonna get the tomatoes prepared for the taco tomatoes. So I've got 6 really good sized tomatoes, and I'm turning them upside down. And then I basically wanna cut 6 wedges just to below the halfway point. So I'll do a cut across, and then basically I'll do an X on top of that line. So look at this. And then you have this beautiful tomato, and you can kind of open it up, and then I'll show you what to do after that. So I'm gonna do the same thing to 5 other tomatoes. Okay, I got the tomatoes prepped. So I cut them, and then you kind of just use your fingers to kind of pry them open a little bit. You have to be careful not to cut all the way through, because then your taco tomatoes will fall apart, and it'll basically just be taco meat with tomato wedges. And that's not the name of this recipe, you guys. Okay, eek. There we go. Now, it's time to have a little fun.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to do one, okay? So, I'm gonna get plenty of taco meat and spoon it right over the tomato. And of course, you wanna make sure it gets in there.
This looks so weird.
They're not, trust me, they're really cool. And then you just top the tomato just like you would a taco, okay? So, got some lettuce, cheese. Are you skeptical?
I am very skeptical.
Why? They're so cute.
They are cute.
Sour cream, cilantro, and a little jalapeno on top, and then a little squeeze of lime. Whoop. Isn't it cute? But you gotta trust me on this, guys.
I like it.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the rest of the tomatoes, whether Paige wants me to or not.
Oh, Ree.
Shoot.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hold
it's
on,
okay.
hold on. All right. Cover it with lettuce.
That's funny. This is so fun.
Thank you, Mauricio. I knew you would appreciate it. Okay, what do you think, Paige? Are you with me?
Wow.
Paige is not sure, but I have to say, I think this is a super fun idea. I think it's very, like, with the times we're in, taco tomatoes. For me, it totally works.